Hi friends, it's Miss Renee here with your Preschoodles digital story time. Today we're going to read a story called Germs Are Not for Sharing. It's written by Elizabeth Verdick and illustrated by Marika Heinlein. That means that she drew the pictures for this story. Achoo! Achoo! What do you need to do? Say tissue please, or reach for one yourself. Blow, wipe, and toss in the garbage. Good job, says Dad. Cough, cough, cough. What do you need to do? Turn your head away and cough into your sleeve like this. Why? Because germs are not for sharing. Germs can make you sick. Oops, uh-oh. Oh no, the cookie fell on the floor. What do you need to do? Put it in the trash. Time to get a new one. Flush. Oh, they just went potty. What do they need to do? Go and wash your hands because germs are not for sharing. How do you wash your hands? Warm water, lots of soap, scrub, scrub, scrub. Sing a little song. Rinse, rinse, rinse. When do you wash your hands? Before it's time to eat, when things get messy, when you sneeze or cough or go potty, or any time you need to. Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. Send those germs down the drain. Bye-bye, germs. Smooch, smooch, smooch. Kisses are nice to give and get, but not when you're sick. What can you do? Stand back, blow a kiss, and catch a kiss. That's right, just like that, says the little doggy. The end. I hope you enjoyed our Preschoodles story time. Have a great day, and don't forget to visit preschoodles.com for more.